Hi pals, it's me Sebastian, and today I'm gonna make a roasted video about Diego Leal's Clubhouse because it's a ripoff to Harvey Animation's Clubhouse, Hector's Clubhouse, my show, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Talbot's Clubhouse, and Blue. I don't know what should I say next. Anyways, before we begin the roasting video, I just want to say you guys something. I think today was Collingwood's birthday, even though his birthday was back in December 3rd. Okay, anyways, let's begin this roasting video, boys.
Hey everybody, it's me, Diego Leal.
Yeah, I know it's you, Diego Leo. We already know, bro.
Hey, do you want to come inside to my clubhouse?
Bro, everybody doesn't know you, bro. We know about Mickey Mouse, bro. So we don't want to come inside to your clubhouse, bro. So shut up already.
Well, alright, let's go.
We don't know about you, bro. So we don't want to go to your clubhouse. And what is this background? It kind of looks like a Windows 5 background, bro. Change your right background. Bro. Shut the fuck up, you son of a bitch. Why are you hiding, bro? Are you scared that you getting roasted? Ha ha ha.
Oh, I almost forgot to make the clubhouse appear. What can they say? The magic words.
Who cares about your magic words? No one cares about your magic words, bro. So shut your mouth already.
The magic words are Miska, Muska, Diego Leal.
Miska Muska Diego Leal? No. How about Miska Muska Mickey Mouse? And you stole Mickey's line. We don't want to say your magic words, bro.
Say with me, guys. Miska, Muska, Diego Leal.
Miska Muska Diego Leal? Shut the fuck up, bro. Why are you hiding like that? So you're gonna get roasted again, bro? Haha, stay mad, nerd ass. What is this clubhouse, bro? Is this clubhouse was built by a kid in Minecraft? And what is this water? And this water looks like a bubble gum water, or a gum water, or a cherry water, or I don't know. So just make your own clubhouse better already. What type of singers is this? Is those singers look like talkies and the theme song? Bro, just make your own singers better, bro. Learn how to sing, bro.
That's me.
Bro, are you in the hallway? First off, you're outside, and now you are in the hallway. Bro, just go back outside right now. And why is it your friends? And your friends looks like a clown ass or another ass? Bro, just shut the fuck up already.
Leal. It's the Diego Leal's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. It's the Diego Leal's Clubhouse. Let's call the names. Luis Perez.
Luis Perez? How about just for Jacob Just? And why are you having to Luis Perez's face? Is he crying or something, or he's scared? Bro, just get your new friend already.
It's Mina.
Mina? How about 12 buttons for fun place? And what happened to his face? And this thing looks like a happy tree for his character, bro.
CBBC Blue.
CBC Bloat? How about a power buff? And what happened to his skin? And his skin looks like covered the frog or something. And what happened to his teeth acid? And this teeth acid looks like a BSDI teeth acid or something. Bruh. Bo? You just stole his own name, bro.
Angelica.
Okay, you know what? I'm skipping this shit.
It's the Diego Leal's Clubhouse.
Hey yo, what is this picture? Are you shipping with a Jerga? Bro, you should put a pedophile! Oh my gosh! What are you pressing this button about? To have fun or what? Bro, this is no fun, bro. It's just a fucking robot hand. And what is this Toodles? If this looks like a rainbow Toodles or something, bro, make your own Toodles better, bro. Get out of my face, you rainbow Toodles.
It's the Diego Leal's Clubhouse. Ho 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 ho.
Bro, what is this logo? Is this logo was made by a 4-year-old or something? And why you in the up corner? AKA the right corner. You should know that you're gonna go, bro. So get your no seriously, bro. And that's all for the roasting video. And plus, I'm gonna send a message to PACKGODDED. PACKGODDED, guess what? I roasted Diego Leal's Clubhouse because it's a ripoff to my show, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Harvey Animation's Clubhouse, Hector's Clubhouse, Tobin's Clubhouse, and more some Clubhouse's shows. So, this is me signing off. Bye, peeps.